Welcome to another Mendeley Minute. In this episode, we'll show you how to organize your library. The desktop client has various intuitive components. The center pane displays all your references and documents, which are easily sorted by author, title, publication year, and other key information, simply by clicking on the relevant header. Icons indicate whether a file is attached and what type of file it is. Here we have PDFs, Word documents, and standalone references without attachments, which are all easily sortable by clicking here. Double-clicking on a reference with a PDF attachment opens the document in Mendeley's PDF viewer. Here you can read the document, highlight text, and annotate. You can also remove highlights and annotations by right-clicking on the selections and choosing the appropriate fields. Let's leave the PDF viewer open and return to the main interface. Still on the center pane, we can star our favorite references, and the green icons indicate which ones haven't yet been opened. We can sort by these categories as well, again by clicking the relevant headers. The upper left-hand pane displays My Library and Groups, and the various folders contained in each. To switch between folders, simply click on the relevant folders. To create a new folder, click Create Folder. Name it, and then drag and drop references into it to help keep your references organized even more. We'll tackle groups in another Mendeley Minute. Immediately below is the Filter pane, which lets you filter your library by author's keywords, authors, my tags, and publication. Just click on the drop-down menu and select the filter you want to apply. Let's filter by author's keywords. Now we can select the keywords we're interested in, and the center pane displays the associated references from My Library. The right-hand pane displays details of the references in your library, including all of the metadata that Mendeley extracts. Just click on a reference, and you can see title, journal, year, abstract, author keywords, and lots of other information. Add your own tags by clicking the relevant field and typing. You can also modify any other entry in the same way. Finally, you can add notes to your references by switching tabs and typing.